Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Zulu network airdrop. So Zulu network is basically a layer 2 on the Bitcoin and it has raised the overall funding of around 3 million US dollars. Now this should be a decent airdrop and the cost of farming this airdrop is absolutely free for now. So I will exactly go ahead and show you all the steps in order to farm the Zulu network airdrop. Now first thing is let me go ahead and follow them over here. And if you want the crypto airdrop content in Hindi, you can go ahead and subscribe to my Hindi channel over here, which is called as Altcoin India Hindi. So I will be making the similar videos in Hindi language as well. If you want to go ahead and have a look at these ones. So let's get straight into the video as to how you can go ahead and farm the Zulu network airdrop. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to add testnet Zulu network to your MetaMask wallet. So links in the description, and once you click on the link you would be redirected to this page over here. And as you can see, once you connect your wallet, this testnet would be added to your MetaMask, and then you will need to go ahead and join your Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and you also have the option of putting a referral code. Now you can go ahead and put my referral code. It really helps my channel. So once you are here, all you can do is basically, as you can see, you will be getting something called as ZGP's point over here. So I have already got like 410 points, and this is my referral code. Please feel free to go ahead and use it. And as you can see, there are certain tasks that you might have to go ahead and complete it daily. So for example, this one, this is like the daily sign in, where you can go ahead and do some daily sign in. Now with regards to using this Zulu faucet over here, all you have to do is you have to go to your MetaMask wallet and copy your address over here, and simply go to the Discord channel, and in the testnet faucet you can request for this Zulu tokens through the testnet faucet. Now once you have Zulu tokens over here, all you can do is basically you can complete certain transactions like transferring, then swap, then liquidity providing, and bridge transactions. So if we talk about the bridge transactions over here, all you can do is basically you can go to the same website over here, click on bridge over here, and maybe you can transfer some from Zulu testnet to Bitcoin testnet. Now with regards to Bitcoin testnet, if you have a separate wallet, you can copy and paste the BRC20 address over here. So if you are using some wallet like maybe Unisat wallet, or there is this wallet also which you are using Xverse, so then you can go ahead and put your BRC20 testnet address over here, and simply put in the amount of Zulu testnet that you want to bridge. So basically this is like ZBTC over here, where you can go from Zulu to Bitcoin testnet. Now once you do that, you will keep getting points over here, and then you can basically use this Atom swap over here in order to get some additional points. So as you can see, the first thing that you can do is you can go ahead and connect your wallet over here, and you can swap your Zulu tokens for different coins and tokens. For example, there is Audi, then there is Sats, Rats, Mites. So there are a lot of them. You can go ahead and swap, and then you can go ahead and add this coins and tokens to a liquidity pool. So for example, like you have swapped some Zulu for Audi, maybe you can go ahead and put some Audi over here and just put in the amount. So the value of this should be equal, and then simply go ahead and put and add them to the liquidity pool over here in order to get some additional points over here. Now as you can see, they have this chest over here after completing a certain amount of point, which is I think around 20,000 points or so. Now I'm not sure whether it's still there on 10,000 points. I will need to go ahead and check, because I have recently started farming this airdrop. So this is how you can go ahead and farm the Zulu network airdrop, and this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.